Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to enable enhanced safe browsing mode on Gmail. Google a couple of days ago introducing these features, and you can enable these features and enhance safe browsing no matter where you browsing. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply, first of all, you need to open here Google. After that, you need to sign up for your email address. This is my email address as a demo point of view, and click here manage your Google account. And after that, you just simply search here enable enhanced safe browsing. The first option is coming here. You click here and look at this here, turn on enhanced safe browsing to get faster and more productive production against dangerous website download and extension. Just simply enable and the turning on, and that's it. It's very simple tips and tricks to enhance safe browsing for your Gmail account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.